एमडी और सीईओ मिस्टर आर मुकंदन जुड़ चुके हैं। बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया सर अपना समय देने के लिए। स्वागत है आपका ईटी नाउ स्वदेश पे। सबसे पहले अगर हम कंपनी के नंबर्स देखें तो यहाँ पर काफ़ी अच्छी परफॉर्मेंस रही है। हमें बताइए क्या कुछ फैक्टर्स रहे हैं जिसकी वजह से इतना अच्छा रनअप देखने को मिला है, और आगे चल के इंडिया और यूके के बेसिक केमिस्ट्री और साथ ही स्पेशलिटी प्रोडक्ट्स को लेकर क्या कुछ आउटलुक है?
मच फॉर हमको आपने शो में आने का निमंत्रण दिया। तो बेसिकली यही कहूँगा कि जो तीन कारण है इसके। एक तो हमने लास्ट ईयर जो चेंजेस लाए थे यूके ऑपरेशन में, रीस्ट्रक्चरिंग विच वी डन इन यूके, आई थिंक दैट इज yielded इट्स इज yielding result. It will continue to yield result. Secondly, the volume growth in India. And thirdly, I think the variable cost and fixed cost reduction. So last time मैंने यही बताया था कि जो रिजल्ट लास्ट पूरे पूरे ईयर के थे उसमें वन थर्ड की बढ़ोतरी होगी। उसमें वन थर्ड बढ़ोतरी अबाउट 200 odd crores would be because of UK operation cessation, और another 200 would be because of the new products and the expansion in India. And thirdly जो है वो variable cost and fixed cost will be slightly down this year, so which is what we are guided. And I think जो है फर्स्ट क्वार्टर में उसी वही देखने को मिला हमको। ओवरऑल पूरा साल में यही हम देखेंगे। इट विल प्ले आउट मोर इन द थर्ड एंड फोर्थ क्वार्टर। एंड यूजुअली जो है कि सेकंड क्वार्टर जो हमारा होता है वो मानसून सीजन है। मानसून सीजन में इंडिया की कंस्ट्रक्शन में ज़रा स्लो डाउन होता है, और ऑल्सो इन साउथ ईस्ट एशिया। सो द numbers will be there or thereabouts, but after it, third and fourth quarter we'll also see a good recovery from a negative or maybe a loss which we had to profit and continue to maintain the momentum. इसके अलावा the 2-3 other factors will come into play. Number one, I think the pharmaceutical salt plant in UK will be fully operational. It has been commissioned. It is now undergoing trials. So from the somewhere in the second quarter, during this quarter, and towards the third quarter, those revenues will come in. In addition to that, we also have commissioned the solar and the electric calcination soda ash in Kenya, 50,000 ton. That also would be available in the second half. In addition to these two, also we are in the process of debottlenecking. So by the time December comes, we should be able to get another 50-60,000 ton in India. So overall, we're looking about 100 to 150,000 ton additional soda ash available for the market. So overall, I would say that there is a combination of cost improvement, benefit of UK restructuring, and volume growth, which will play out. And in addition to that, we are also focused on improving working capital by about 200 to 300 odd crores. That numbers are not satisfactory in the first quarter. We will improve that as the quarter goes by. And we are also targeting another 500 crore of cash, positive cash beyond what we believe we had, so that the debt reduces. And that should also help us to move forward on the debt reduction plan.
ऑलराइट, तो ये तमाम फैक्टर्स जो कि अभी के लिए काम कर रहे हैं और आगे के लिए ग्रोथ आउटलुक आपने बताया, बट एक बार मार्जिन्स पे आपसे समझना चाहेंगे। देखिए इस बार 18% के शानदार मार्जिन्स कंपनी ने दर्ज किए हैं। क्या इन फैक्टर्स जो कि अभी आपने हाईलाइट किया, ये समझना सही होगा कि आगे के क्वार्टर्स में भी 18% या उससे ज़्यादा के मार्जिन्स आ सकते हैं?
If you look at quarter 3 and quarter 4, I think we should be there. Quarter 2, as I mentioned, is a slightly, let's say, a quarter where there'll be a slight dip, mainly because of sales into the construction sector and detergent sector comes down. And that is because of monsoon, mainly in India and Southeast Asia. Other markets should be fine. Also, we are seeing that the prices are more or less steady at the current price. The cost have also come down. The variable cost has come down. There is a positive trend now with the Japan and EU deal, UK deal having been concluded. Hopefully, some of the consuming industries will now be able to have a better visibility about their demand. In addition to which, we are looking forward to what happens with the China and India deal. Once these are done, I think we would be more or less clear about the demand side. Demand side is not such a big issue. One of the big issues which US is actually negotiating with China is also the industrial overcapacity in China to be brought down, and how that deal addresses that is going to be one critical issue. Already we are seeing signs of that. One of the big plants there is announced that it will be ceasing operation. In Europe, again, there are unviable capacities. If they go down, it will help the industry. So not only हमने बंद किया है, हमारे साथ एक और पोलिश कंपनी में अपने कंपनी को फैक्ट्री को बंद किया. तो I think the supply side also is seeing some improvement. So overall, we would see the market remain balanced, and as we move into next year, it may be even better.
राइट, इसी के साथ मिस्टर मुकंदन, आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया करना चाहेंगे, आज आपने समय निकाला और नतीजों पर विस्तार से हमने चर्चा की.